Today we're checking out a new product for all you hunters and outdoorsmen. It's the gun grabber rifle mount for the Polaris Ranger XP1000. This mount is designed to keep your rifle safe, secure, and easily accessible when you're heading out into the woods or out on the trail. You can find these at thegungrabber.com, and we'll have a link down in the description. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and see what comes in this kit. So you get your instructions, your mounts, and some hardware. There's a little note in here telling you about the product. It is used by the Coast Guard, as well as the Navy, and the Marines and the Army have started using them in their transport vehicles as well. So nice sturdy product if our armed forces are using them as well. So let's see what comes in the kit. You'll get the main mount, you'll get your hardware, and detailed instructions. Everything looks pretty solid, heavy duty construction. It's got a nice powder coat finish on it, but you can tell right away this is pretty much ready to handle whatever abuse you'll see out on the trail or while you're out hunting. All right, let's go ahead and get this mounted in our Ranger XP1000. You'll need a few basic tools, but we'll walk you through step by step and show you how simple it is to get this mounted up in your vehicle. As you can see here, they do include a Torx bit and a longer bolt. This is going to be for behind the ride command. One of your Torx bits, we'll replace that. But otherwise, everything is the same. You do tell them if you have ride command or not when you order this. So I believe there's just a different bend here in the bracket to clear the screen, but otherwise everything else is the same. So once you have these two Torx removed, we'll go ahead and get the gun mount into place and go ahead and bolt it back up. Okay, so what you're going to do is line your mount up right here. Tighten those back up. So next on the floor here, you're going to take your lower mount. Obviously you're going to want to put your rifle in here, and using the provided Velcro, you'll get that into place, and then you can go ahead and put a screw in there. Now that this is all installed, let's go ahead and test it out. Mounting your gun is as simple as just pushing it into place. So you'll line it up, and that's it. You'll have minimal movement, no rattles, and I mean, this takes quite a bit of force to pull this in and out and get it in there. So whether you're on the trails, going through the fields, to your hunting stand, whatever, this is gonna be nice and secure. So we're gonna hit the trails here and see how this thing performs. Okay, so that's it for the gun grabber rifle mount for the Ranger XP1000. Rock solid hold, easy install, and ready for your next hunting trip. So if you want this product or any of the other gun mounts that they make, go ahead and check that link out in the description. And if you like content like this as well as events, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and as always, check out our merch at fasmerch.shop, and we'll catch you on the next one.